Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a tummy wrap. This is my tummy without a tummy wrap. I know actually my tummy is very big. This is a year and 4 months of giving birth, after giving birth. So if there is any other thing that you can suggest that I can do to get a flatter tummy, please let me know on the comment section. But please, I don't want exercise. My body is not good with exercise. So this is it with the tummy wrap. So I will go ahead and show you how to make this tummy wrap. This is the wrap that I use. This one is very strong and thick, as you can see. So I'll also go ahead and I'll use this thing. I guess it's called a Velcro. I'll show you. You see, this tummy wrap is not up to 4 inches, as you can see. So I have about 5 yards here, and this Velcro, I think that's what it's called. I got it for 300 naira a yard. If you're in Onitsha, I bought this for 300 naira a yard at Nottage, and the tummy wrap itself was 600 naira for 1 yard at the same Nottage. So I made a mistake earlier the first time when I went to buy this thing. I got the one that wasn't strong enough to hold my tummy. So, but this second one, the brown one, is very thick. So what I'll be doing next is that I will go ahead and I will wrap this around my tummy to get the place where I will be attaching the Velcro. So just watch carefully and see what I did. And guys, please don't forget to like my video, share my video, they are free. And also follow me on Instagram at Learn to Sew at Home. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please. And help this family grow. So I'll wrap it out, as you can see where the end is. I'll go ahead and I'll use a chalk to draw out where mark out where I'll be attaching the Velcro, as you can see what I did here. So you see my tummy looks a little flatter than before. I'll go ahead and I'll get the Velcro. I'll place it like that, and I'll trim off the excess. I'll get the exact measurement of the wrap, and I will trim off the excess, as you can see. So I'll go straight to my machine. I'll open up the Velcro, and I'll be making use of the hard part, the hard surface of the Velcro. I'll place it on that marked line, not at the end, and I'll go ahead and I will stitch it down. Don't forget to backstitch to secure your stitches. So I'll stitch it down, and I will show you. Just stitch it down like that. And I would love to see your beautiful mix. Don't forget to use the hashtag on Instagram, my mix with Sandra, so that I can see your beautiful mix and repost them. So this is it after sewing it down. I'll go ahead and I will also sew down the other part of the Velcro. As you can see, the soft part of the Velcro, I will attach it there. I will stitch it there just like I did to the previous one. And don't forget to backstitch to secure your stitches. So yeah, I would like to see your beautiful mix. Just use the hashtag MyMixWithSandra so that I can repost them. So after stitching it down, this is what it looks like. I'll go ahead and trim off these rough edges. So this is it, it's done. The tummy wrap is done. So I'll go ahead and I'll wrap it so that you can see how it looks like after sewing it. So there is not much work on this. Just go to the market, get a thick elastic. I don't know what they call this particular elastic. I just came to the guy that I usually buy this rib knit to sew clothes. So I found this particular thick one, and I decided to use it to make a tummy wrap, and it works perfectly. And excuse me, what the most important part of this thing is that it's not as stressful as Gido. You can wear this and you'll be very comfortable. So that's it guys, see you on my next video. Happy sewing.